Hello people, this is our test 3 solution. So we start with our question 1. So let's see. The question 1, what we have is here with the question y equals to fx, and then we got a curve here. So first bit is you need to sketch the inverse function. What you need to do is you sketch the inverse of it by reflecting it along x equals to y. So I draw x equals y first, and then I look at the feature of the original function. I have a x asymptote here, which means that I have a y asymptote. Make sure you mark the asymptote because that gives you 1 mark. And then I have the x-intercept here for 0. So the new y-intercept will be 0, 4. Now I just sketch it as long as it doesn't. It's a bit ugly here, sorry. As long as it doesn't touch the end, and then it's go up, that will give you another 1 point. Make sure you have the point here and the asymptote goes through. Then you got 2 points. The next 5 points we need to get is the range. We need to separate the range so we can find the domain of the original function. The domain of it is like this. The domain of fx is x bigger than 1. Therefore, for the inverse, range of inverse function will be y bigger than 1. Make sure you use it y, otherwise you lost point. Moving on. Given that we got a function here, find the value of a and b. So we got the point here, and the asymptote of x equals to 1, we can do a few things. First of all, 0 would equals to ln for a plus b, which means that 1 will be equals to 4a plus b. I leave it at equation 1. The second point is we got an asymptote x equals to we got the asymptote of x equals to 0. So we have x could not be equal to 0, which we do not like the inverse be equals to 1. So what we can have is like a plus b will be equals to 0. So a will be equals to negative b. Substitute base back into 1. Then we have 1 equals to 4a minus b minus a. And then what we will have is like the negative a equals to b, so we could throw the other side. So we have 1 equals to 3a, so a equals to 1 over b, 1 over 3. And then with that we will have our b equals to negative 1 over 3, and that gives you another 4 points.